If you need to reset your password for your ING account, follow these simple steps to regain access quickly and securely. Step 1. Visit the ING website. Go to the official ING website using your preferred web browser. Ensure that you are on the correct site to avoid phishing attempts. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Enter your details. You will be prompted to enter your registered email address or username. Fill in the required information accurately to proceed. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your details, check your email inbox for password reset link from ING. Make sure to also check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it in your inbox. Step 5. Create a new password. Follow the link in the email to access the password reset page. Enter a new password that meets the security requirements, then confirm it. Save your changes to complete the process. Now you can log into your ING account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting customer support for further assistance.